Light snow has been falling for some since early this morning. We're about to play a time lapse of how things have been looking since 8:30 in Fargo-Moorhead. We had gray skies and several bouts of light snow, lowering our visibility from time to time up through the noon hour. And now we've got that snow still coming down here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Another view in the valley. This is along I-94 in the Rothsay area. We're looking at some lower visibility as well. This is a region where we've seen some snow coming over the roads. A lot of DOT plows have been out and about along this stretch of I-94 this morning. So dealing with that light snow, it's enough to cause some slick spots out there, and some of us picking up some accumulations. Just got an update from the New Rockford area. We've had about 3 inches of snow there, and that snow is still coming down in that region. And down to the south, we're looking at a little less snow at this point in time. We've got some areas of snowfall still coming down, especially in Otter Tail County. Fargo-Moorhead still seeing a little bit of light snow, but there are also some bigger breaks where we're not seeing much of anything right now. And looking a little farther north, heavier stuff into Grand Forks County, Northwood area, back up toward Michigan or Devil's Lake rather. New Rockford getting some snow there, and down toward Carrington and Cooperstown as well. So this large area of snow will just continue to gradually add up your snowfall totals in that area. Also bringing down visibility. We're down to 1 mile, between 1 and 2 miles in a lot of areas down in Lakes Country, Fargo-Moorhead at the airport at the top of the hour, 1.5 miles visibility there, and back over to Cooperstown at 1.25 miles. Wind is light to the east. It's a little stronger west. We've got a gust to 22 in Cooperstown, a steady speed in Oaks at 25. So that's going to cause a little bit of visibility issues too. In addition, it might cause a little blowing across some of those roads. Temperatures much colder north. We're 1 in Roseau, 2 in Baudette. Fargo's at 16 degrees right now. And the farther south you go, the milder it is, where we're on the warmer side of this boundary that these snow showers have developed along. So around 3 o'clock this afternoon, a warmer day in the south, teens to low 20s. We'll only be in the single digits up north, around 8 degrees in Roseau by 3 o'clock. And areas of snow still ongoing. Now you might get a break in the snowfall wherever you happen to be, but that doesn't mean your chances for snow are done just yet. Into the nighttime hours tonight, this band continues right along Highway 2 and in surrounding areas. And then it starts to drop. The wraparound snow starts to drop to the south and east. So we might get a break in Fargo for a couple of hours, and then more snow showers move in for later on tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. So moving ahead to tomorrow morning, this is 5 a.m. Most of the snow is done at this point. We're still getting the wind out of the north and into the teens, some gusts into the 20s. So there might be just some light drifting happening on the roads and cold air moving in. It's going to be a much colder day. We're looking at some temperatures below 0 to start off tomorrow morning up north, and getting into the noon hours, some sunshine, but that won't help us to warm up much. We'll be in the single digits throughout the northern valley, and in the southern valley, some of us too in the single digits for your highs for the day. So some colder air moving in tomorrow after this system rolls through. Getting some updates now to our snowfall potential. We're looking at basically the central part of the valley here in that 3 to 6 inch range in that darker blue region, and then dropping off from there from that area, both north and heading south. And tomorrow the snow showers wind down. We get a high of 8 degrees in Fargo. Friday, we warm up briefly back into the teens with a little bit of light snow, but then that second round, that worst round of Arctic air plunges in, and it's going to be a pretty brutal Christmas Eve through the Christmas holiday as far as temperatures are concerned, well below 0.
Yuck. Okay. Stay inside with family. Stay warm. Straight